Lab safety is always most important. Some safety concerns in this experiment would be a potential fire hazard from the Bunsen burner. To mitigate this risk, during the experiment we will keep flammable objects a safe distance from the flame and handle the burner with caution. Potassium chlorate, a reactant in this experiment, is highly flammable and a strong oxidizer. Thus it should be handled with care around the Bunsen burner or any heat source. This experiment does produce lots of excess smoke, so it would be more appropriate to perform the experiment under a fume hood or a well-ventilated area. Safety precautions. In order to ensure lab safety, certain safety precautions must be fulfilled. Lab apron, goggles, closed-toed shoes, and long pants must be worn at all times. Be sure not to stand directly over the test tube as there will be an abundance of smoke. Be sure to have emergency equipment such as fire extinguisher or a safety blanket ready in case of an emergency. Furthermore, be sure to waft, not sniff fumes, even though the fumes aren't toxic. When placing the gummy bear into the test tube, use a pair of tongs to lower the gummy bear.